In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the hanging clothes in The Sims 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the pack of hanging clothes that you might find while exploring the objects that you can place is super simple. You will be able to do this if you own the Dream Home Decorator pack. So as long as you have Dream Home Decorator, you will be able to use these hanging clothes on any wall surface. So what you have to do to hang these clothes is to use one of these shelves here. So you will be able to find the rounded clothes hanging shelf by B Modular or the same one but the acute equivalent. The only difference is going to be the corners. They are either rounded or pointy. And when you place one of these near any wall, you will be able to use them to hang the clothes. They will be placed right underneath them, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. To my knowledge, these two hanging shelves are going to be the only options that you have to use the hanging clothes available in The Sims 4. And like I said, you need to own Dream Home Decorator. So look for the rounded clothes hanging shelf by B Modular or the acute variant. You will be able to place them, and just as a heads up, they are going to be available under the modular category. Enter build mode, select all surfaces, and you can simply type modular to easily find them. Place it on the wall and then drag the hanging clothes underneath them. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this or you cannot find them, ensure that you own and you have the Dream Home Decorator pack installed. After you are done, they are always going to be available for you to use again. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the hanging clothes in The Sims 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.